Malawo, tapos to, ako, ako,
Count number one. One.
Zoe, stop.
One, two. Guys, my sister is so cool. And
Let's go.
me is
So
fun
cute.
to my sister. And my auntie is, she is work next year with Lazada.
Bon,
She
mama.
is applying.
Labo,
The
labo,
apply is, she is work next year. And my dad is work now to Lazada. And my auntie is, she is go to Lazada next year. And my auntie is,
Ulit ka, Jane.
my auntie is go, she is buy to
Bye
shop,
to.
she's shopping to Lazada. She is the work to Lazada
Is
is,
the word she is working.
she is working to Lazada para
For.
for the buy to Lazada.
Dahil ko, pala siya pa.
And my sister is so
Mas
cool.
pa naman ko
My mom
labo na mo
Anak
sa
na,
kama.
anak.
Ako po sa kama.
She is
Ayaw po sa kama.
so raming anak now.
Ako.
Anong language yung dart mo?
Ako. Sulat.
And my
Sulat.
my lola is stroke. Yung hand niya, hindi niya magalaw. She is zombie now.
Jane. But it's not funny.
It's a joke.
Tulog ka na.
Look at my mom. Look at.
Si Zoe, magpakilala ka nga. Introduce yourself.
This is my sister. She name is Zoe.
She name. Her name.
Her name is Zoe. But she is ibang lengguwahe.
What language do you use?